In order to begin setting up a connection between your organization's Microsoft SQL Server and the igXite connector tool, you will need to have the following items and information. From our welcome email, download the igXite connector tool so that you can launch it in a few moments. The welcome email would have also included an email address and password that you will need to log in to the igXite connector tool. From your organization, you will need to know three things: the server name of where your database resides, the name of the database that you will be accessing, and either a username and password for accessing the database or confirmation that you can already access the database using your existing Windows authentication. This information would come from your company's database administrator or IT department. When you launch the igXite connector, you will be prompted for an email address and a password. Use the email address and password from the igXite welcome email. The igXite connector opens to the Source Databases screen. To create a new connection, right-click and choose New. The connection property window opens. Give your connection a descriptive name so you can easily identify it in the future. You may eventually have multiple connections. In the Details area, select the connection type MSSQL. Enter the server name and database name. If you do not know what server name or database name to enter, contact your company's database administrator or IT department for this information. If your Microsoft SQL database can connect you using your Windows authentication credentials, check integrated security without entering a username and password. If your Microsoft SQL database cannot connect you using your Windows authentication credentials, enter a username and password while leaving integrated security unchecked. Click Test to test your connection. If you receive a Test Successful message, you have completed creating your connection and can now click Save and Close. Your connection will now show in the Source Databases window. If you are unable to establish a connection and have consulted your organization's database administrator or IT department, contact the igXite support team for further assistance. Thanks for watching. Please reach out to us if you have any questions about getting started.